Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find info on the Notewise application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen and you can find different buttons. If you want to find info about the application, just click to the settings icon at the lower left corner of the home screen, and here go to the last section, the about, and here you can check the terms of service, the privacy policy, the help section, and the share diagnostic data and the version of the application. Now if you want to read about the application, you can select an option and click that and you can find the infos. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.